Hello and welcome to the summary of the Lucy Letby trial. So it is now week 22. This trial was scheduled to last for 6 months, but it does look like it's going to be longer than that. So this week in court, the focus was on child O. Now, child O had a traumatic injury to the liver. This was a large bruise and internal bleeding. And in court, the doctor said that this was most likely an impact injury. They couldn't say whether this was an accident or not, but they were quite clear that it would not have been caused by CPR. So it was so severe that it would not have been caused by somebody performing CPR on the child. They actually said it was like jumping on a trampoline and falling off the trampoline. Child P, they did admit that child P's liver bruise could have been caused by CPR. They then focused on child Q, and child Q is an attempted murder charge for Letby, and they looked at the Facebook messages. They read these out in court. These were the Facebook messages between Letby and the registrar. So Letby had said to the registrar, "Do I need to be worried about what Dr. Gibbs was asking?" So this was a doctor who'd come onto the ward who was concerned about the number of children who had died and the number of children who were collapsing. And the colleague said that no, Letby had nothing to worry about. Letby then said that she was worried because she had been with another baby when child Q collapsed, and she was worried that she'd missed something. The doctor said that she'd worked hard and they were more than happy to give a statement supporting this to whoever it needed to be given to. Letby then also said that child Q, the symptoms were more like a bacterial infection, and she was worried that there was actually a bug in the unit that was being passed around, and this is what was making the children unwell. The other bit of evidence is that the doctor said that they would trust Letby with their own children. So whether that's significant or not is something that the jury will have to decide. But just quite interesting, I thought, that the doctor said they would trust Letby with their own children. Okay, so tune in for week 23 next week.